Morning guys, beautiful bank holiday here. We have been down here for a couple of hours now, and I thought I'd, rather than just filming the whole thing, thought I'd show you what we've achieved. So we've started stripping the back. It has exposed quite a bit of rust there, but do you know what? None of it is structural, nothing goes through. So I'm gonna fill all these bits in here. But are you ready for this? The paint is coming off. What do you think of that? The paint is coming off, look. So we're getting there. Here's one for you that I want to put out to the channel. This A pillar here, and that sort of beam with the lights on the light bar. What colour do you think I should keep that? Or leave that? Or spray that? What colour do you think I should spray it? I kind of think, even when the truck is white, that might actually look quite good in black. Keeping it black. Just freshen it all up. What do you think? Please let me know in the comments. Hopefully by the end of today, or when we give up today, we'll have made a decent amount of progress. I'm going to do a bit more work on the inside and get this all cleaned up and freshened up. But yeah, she started on the button this morning, and we're straight down here making progress. So it's Saturday today, the bank holiday weekend. So hopefully you should be watching this on Sunday of the Easter weekend. But yeah, I bought myself a new tripod. I got a massive tripod. Look at that, bad boy. So we can now set you up a little bit better views so you can see what we're doing. But yeah, welcome along guys, we're making progress. We're turning it white again.
So this is how we end up. The game is set to play. Every day remains the same now. One decision we obey. I just wanna climb on top of a hill and throw it all away, away. Take me far away before my mind spins off and I am all derailed, derailed. Just drive all the way to the rainbow's end. Just drive, and we'll never turn our backs again.
Hey, so where are we at? Sit rep. I've just got that last remaining seat rail out. Had to cut that out. Still got to get those bits out in the back where I had to cut that chair out, that back seat. The positives are, I've not found any catastrophic metal cancer, so I haven't found any catastrophic rust. Everything is surface rust. So I've just been going over it. Nothing actually goes through. It's all really solid in here. So the plan is to get this cleaned up, clean it all out, and then I'm literally just going to put a layer of anti-rust primer down. Leave it at that because it's getting covered with carpet, so it doesn't need to go back to white. It's just going to get a real nice thick layer of anti-rust primer. I'm going to keep going, keep stripping it, keep getting back all the surface metal off. Every time I try and speak to the camera, that guy appears in his bus. Thanks, mate. Someone mentioned in the comments, which I thought was a class idea, about getting rid of the handbrake, because obviously it's in the way for the captain's chair, and installing like a... I'll speak to you when that guy fucks off. So yeah, do you know what? Overall, it's positive in here. I'm pretty happy with it. I've just got to sand down the where that other rail was. I might change the shifter. That's something I might do. Oh, somebody asked what this was for. They said, is it like a portable toilet? You haven't obviously watched all the videos. If you watch the service video, you'll see why I put that there. So I was on my own, and I had to fill the gearbox oil up. The gearbox dipstick is there. I couldn't do it on my own, so I zip tied this funnel onto there so that I could top it up with oil. Genius. So that's why that was. Go back and watch the service video, and you will understand. Right, so Lou is just sat here with the heat gun, trying to get these decals off the back that have been there forever. They're coming off all right. Got the number plate off and the number plate surrounds, so they're all coming off. So yeah, we're getting there. Look, she's almost white again. Hey. Oh, we have got some. We got given some Bud Light, some American beer, some American shitty beer. So we thought, bring a couple down, get rid of them. It's bank holiday, isn't it? So we have stopped sanding and grinding now because it's 3 PM on Saturday, the bank holiday, and we've been down here about 4 hours. And I know that there's people in the houses over the back trying to have a barbecue. I can hear all these people, and we're like, like making all this noise. I thought it's only fair in it. We'll give them their bank holiday. So I think we're going to call it in a minute. Do a couple more jobs. I'm going to clean up in here, and then we're going to probably go to the pub. So have a great bank holiday, guys, and I hope you've had a good bank holiday. Enjoy your lie-in tomorrow. You're not in work on Monday unless you're in the hospitality industry, and then you're probably in work, and it sucks to be you. Maybe I should have tried harder at school. What? Who said that? I don't know. Who am I to talk? I'm a bloody recovery driver, so I'm only joking. You can take the piss out of me too. And I'm working Monday. What am I talking about? I'm giving people shit that are in the same position. I should have tried harder at school. Enjoy your bank holiday, guys. It's been great to have you along. Sorry it's not a huge amount, but these are the boring jobs, you know. You take on a project like this, you got to do this sort of stuff. It won't be long and we'll be smashing this out of the park. We'll be laying down some colour, bringing it on, bringing it forward. So I was going to end it about 5 minutes ago, but I'm testing a new spray gun. So I've got a new spray gun for my compressor. I just wanted to whack, because I had some exposed metal in here, so I just wanted to whack some primer down. So that's rust inhibiting primer that I've just whacked on all the bits of bare metal, and then I've just stuck a layer of it on there just to see, more than anything, to see how the gun behaved. But yeah, it did all right. It looks like a bit of a mismatch, doesn't it? It does look a little bit mental at the minute. It does look a little bit mental, but I'm just playing around with the tools really, so that when we're ready to go for the big spray, and once all the prep work's done, I know that I can trust the kit. So that's why I was having a little play. But I just wanted to show you this. It almost looks like we've made some progress. I wasn't expecting this. We came down a few hours ago with a view to basically just keep sanding, do a bit of filling, get it into a position really that it would be, the next time we come down we could maybe paint it or have a go at getting some primer on. However, things moved a little bit quicker than we were expecting, so this is where we're at the minute. So we are pretty much ready to paint. It's an absolutely beautiful day. There's not a puff of wind, so I'm thinking, while we're here, we've got it masked, we've done all the prep work, I've filled in, so I filled some rust. I found there was some rust there, dug that out. This pitting and everything that was there, that's been dug out. Some holes here that I've filled. Lou is modelling a Fighting Talk hoodie, and we're just basically rattling through it. All the stickers are off the back now. We ended up going full on. Oh, it was just taking hours with like glue and tar remover. I was like, hold my beer and watch this. So yeah, we got the grinder out with a nylon pad on it, and that's went straight through it. So yeah, absolutely smashing it. I genuinely didn't think we would have this sprayed before June or July, because I was going to pay to get it done, and then I thought, you know what, I'm just going to do it myself. So that's where we're at. We're prepped, we're masked, we're ready to go. So now I've got to trust my own ability and give spraying it a go, which wasn't on my radar whatsoever. First layer done. Right, we're done for today. Are you ready? You want to see the progress we made today? Obviously there's a little bit of overspray there, but really, that doesn't matter, does it? Yeah, I've cleaned up all of this. So that seat rail is all cleaned up. Again, I've put a little bit of filler down, just more than anything, just to level the floor, but there was no structural stuff. So yeah, we're won't be long and the inside will be done. But look at this. Really happy with it. There's a couple of bits that are going to need a bit more attention, but that's what the first prime's about, isn't it? So it's got its first layer on. Probably going to leave it for now. Leave it for the weekend. Put it away. Next time we're down, whip that A-frame off and move on. And then we've got to do the actual cab. So it's quite a big bit to do yet. Obviously, get that all in primer. It's gonna look good even when it's just in primer, I think. But yeah, look at that, what a difference. What an absolute difference that makes.
So this is how we end up. Shades of blue and gray. I feel just like an empty bottle.
Still got a beer. I might do another competition soon for another Fight and Talk hoodie. If people want them, we've got loads of them. Yeah, if anyone would be interested in the throttle therapy ones with the throttle therapy on the back, let me know. Put it in the comments and we'll start producing a few more, get them out to you. Might even put a little YouTube logo on. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. Another bit of progress made on the V8 Transit. And do you know what, it's running like a dream now. Absolutely starts on the button, feels really good. I've still got to sort the throttle out. The throttle pivots in the wrong point, but that's another video. As you can see, we are making progress. See you on the next one.
I just wanna climb on top of a hill and throw it